In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the ruler in PowerPoint. Whether you're putting together a presentation for work, school, or anything in between, PowerPoint is a tool many of us rely on. But to make those slides look just right, sometimes you need a bit more precision in your layout and design. That's where the ruler comes in handy. It's a simple tool, but if you're not sure where to find it or how to turn it on, stick around. I've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to open up your MS PowerPoint. It seems straightforward, but this is where your journey to creating a perfectly aligned presentation begins. Click on the PowerPoint icon on your computer and you'll be greeted by the Start screen. This is your gateway to all your presentation endeavors. Once you've opened PowerPoint, it's time to open the file you're going to be working on. Navigate from the opening screen to find your file. This might involve clicking on Open and then browsing through your computer's directories, or selecting a recent document directly from the list PowerPoint offers. It's always a good idea to keep your files organized so you can easily locate them again in the future. Alright, you've got your file open in front of you. What's next? It's time to head over to the View tab. You'll find this at the top of the PowerPoint window, amongst other tabs like File, Insert, and Design. The View tab is essentially your control panel for how you see your work in PowerPoint. Click on it to dive into the various views and tools available to you. Within the View tab, look for the Show group. This might sound a little cryptic if it's your first foray into adjusting your PowerPoint workspace, but don't worry. The Show group is simply a section within the View tab that contains several options to customize what elements are visible on your screen while you work. It's here that PowerPoint hides its somewhat lesser used yet incredibly useful tools. Last but certainly not least, to finally reveal the ruler on your workspace, you'll need to check the box for Ruler. By selecting this option, the ruler will instantly appear along the top and left edges of your slide. This tool is invaluable for aligning text boxes, images, and other elements on your slide, ensuring everything is precisely where you want it to be. No more guesswork or eyeballing distances. The ruler makes layout decisions clear and straightforward, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the ruler in PowerPoint, opening up a new world of design precision. Remember, the ruler can be toggled on and off as needed, so don't be afraid to use it as much or as little as your projects require. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. First, practice makes perfect. The more you use the ruler and become familiar with PowerPoint's other tools, the better your presentations will become. Also, don't underestimate the power of right-clicking. PowerPoint's context menus often hide a wealth of additional options that can save you time and enhance your designs. Lastly, explore. PowerPoint is packed with features that many users never stumble upon. The more curious you are, the more likely you are to discover time-saving hacks and design secrets. That's it from me today. I hope this guide on how to enable the ruler in PowerPoint has been helpful. Remember, with PowerPoint, the only limit is your creativity, so go forth and create something amazing. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your presentations. Happy designing!